Few subject matter experts are a driving force behind as many facets of modern society as those versed in information technology. And nobody can better prepare you to break in and stand out in this high-demand field than Macomb Community College. Ranging from cloud computing and cybersecurity to game and website programming and everything in between, Macomb's information technology programs give you practical, hands-on experience in a variety of subject areas that can lead to exciting and dynamic careers with nearly limitless opportunities for growth. Connect with our experienced professors who use cutting-edge equipment and applications to teach you skills you can't learn on your own. Skills like creating accessible cloud platforms or thwarting cyber attacks. Discover how to provide users with immediate access to data and applications from any online connected device. As more and more companies move data and software applications to the cloud, Macomb's cloud computing program will ensure you're at the forefront of the digital revolution. And our cybersecurity program will train you to protect organizations against ever-expanding hidden threats. Learn how to configure firewalls and intrusion detection systems, safeguard corporate assets, evaluate security issues, and more. Backing this is Macomb's designation as a National Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense Education by the National Security Agency and the Department of Homeland Security. Not sure what you'd like to specialize in? Macomb allows you to test the waters, exploring each IT specialty for about 1/4 the cost of four-year universities. Ready to leave your digital footprint on the world? Your wish is our command. Macomb Community College. Discover, connect, advance.